Hello guys, welcome to Market Action. In this video, we will analyze what happened in Nifty and Bank Nifty today. So let us see what happened in Bank Nifty and Nifty today with the replay buttons. I will just replay the chart of today and I will show how you could have took entries, how you could have avoided entries in Nifty and Bank Nifty today. So let's get started with this video. Before that, please make sure to like this video. So many people will watch this video, but some people only like this video. And if you like the knowledge you are getting, please like this video so that I will get motivated to make more videos regarding post market analysis. And also subscribe my channel and press that bell icon so that you will get notification whenever I upload new videos in this channel. So let's get started with this video. This is a chart of Nifty in daily time frame. Also we have a chart of Bank Nifty. So first we will analyze Nifty. These are the pre-market levels. This is the previous day, 13th September. This is the last previous day high, and this is the all-time high of Nifty. So this is the daily time frame chart, and we will replay the today's chart once we start the analysis. So these important levels were given in Twitter. I posted pre-market important levels in Twitter and in my Telegram channel. If you didn't join my Telegram channel and if you didn't follow me on Twitter, please make sure to follow me on Twitter and please join my Telegram channel. So these were the levels given in Twitter and Telegram channel. You can check it later. So this is the all-time high and this is the previous day high. The price was in between this range only. So I just marked these two levels just to keep the chart clean. So let's start what happened in 5 minutes time frame. So guys, let's start the replay button. Let us see what happened in Bank Nifty first. Let us see the Bank Nifty chart. This is a chart of Bank Nifty. Let me start the replay button. And you can see here the chart has been started now. You can see the first candle has been formed. This is how first candle formed today, and it was facing resistance from the previous day high in Bank Nifty, and after that a red candle formed. After that a previous day high has been broken in Bank Nifty. After that a red candle has been formed and it took support exactly at the S1 R1 resistance, and it tried to make an upward move but it reversed. So let me stop the replay button and let me explain why this breakout of previous day high has been failed. Even though it broke the R1 resistance, previous day high, everything was broken, the candle was also green, clear cut bullish candle, but still the breakout has been failed. To analyze this we have to see the Nifty charts. Let's see what happened in Nifty. So this is a Nifty chart. Let me start the replay button. You can see here the price opened a big bearish candle and it was something like a pin bar bearish candle. After that a bullish candle has been formed, and now you can see that this is the all-time high that we marked in daily time frame chart. So Nifty faced resistance from this level only. Nifty made a big bullish candle, but after that you can see Nifty made a bearish candle. A big bearish candle has been formed at the all-time high level, and after that you can see Nifty started to fall down, and once Nifty started to move in a downward direction, Bank Nifty also followed Nifty, and the breakout of Bank Nifty has been failed here. Bank Nifty made a downfall here and breakout of Bank Nifty failed. After that Bank Nifty again tried to make an upward move. At the same time Nifty was also making a downward side move. So that was the exact reason why Bank Nifty breakout failed. Since Nifty failed here, Nifty faced resistance from the all-time high, Bank Nifty also faced resistance and fell down here. So let's continue. Let us see what will happen next in Nifty. Guys, now you can see here Nifty was inside this range only. Nifty was moving upward direction. Again it made a downfall movement here. So let's continue. Let's see what happens the next candle. You can see here if we get a red candle here, Nifty made a downfall here. We can draw a trend line here. Those who know how to draw a trend line, they know that if we can connect 2 points, then we can draw good trend line and we should extend that trend line for next levels. So we can connect these 2 points and let us just extend the trend line for further candles. This is how you should draw the trend line in the live market. You should just connect 2 points and extend that line and see whether the price respect that trend line or not in upcoming candles. So let's continue. Now guys, again you can see another important level in live market itself. We have marked all the important pre-market levels, and again we should mark important levels in live market also. You can see here there is a support level here. Price took support from this level and made a upward move. Again it is taking support from this level and making an upward move. So we can connect these points and we can draw a support line here. So just draw a support line here and see whether price is respecting that support line in further candles. So if it is respecting, then we can take trades on the same day. So let's mark this support line for the current day. So let's see what happens next. Guys, now you can clearly see that we just extended this trend line connecting 2 points. Now you can see that price is respecting this trend line. If you could just adjust this trend line, you can clearly see that price is respecting this trend line. Also the support level which we just drawn here also respected by the price. So these two levels are very important for the price now, that this trend line and this support level is very important for the current day. So let's see how the price will react at this level. So let's continue. Guys, now you can clearly see that price is respecting this trend line for so many times, and again this support level is also respected here. This is why we should mark important levels in live market also. We should understand sellers and buyer psychology, and we should mark some important levels like as trend lines and support levels in live markets too. So let's continue Nifty charts. Before that, let us see what happened in Bank Nifty. So let's start Bank Nifty chart. So this is a chart of Bank Nifty. I just started Bank Nifty candles now. Let's see what happens in Bank Nifty. Now we can clearly see that in Bank Nifty also there is a trend line possibility. We can connect 2 points in Bank Nifty also. Let us just draw a trend line. It is not like it's compulsory. You can just draw a trend line and you can see whether the candles are respecting that trend line in further minutes. Like further candles are whether respecting that trend line or not. If it is not respecting, then you can remove that trend line here. So I just drawn a trend line and I just extended that trend line for the day. So let's see what happens next. So this is how you should mark important levels in live market. You just saw that I just marked this trend line in live market itself. I just extended 2 points and I just connected 2 points and just drawn a trend line. This is how you should draw trend lines in the live market. So after that you can see here price tested this level, again price tried to touch this level, again price touched that level and made a downfall here. So this is how price is respecting the trend line. This is the importance of trend line and this is the importance of live market levels. Till now we didn't had any entries. There was no proper entry in Bank Nifty and Nifty till now, because in Nifty also the Nifty was inside this range only. Nifty was not making any big movements. In Bank Nifty also you can see it is just facing resistance from the trend line and making a downfall movement, again making upward movement. So till now there was no clear entry. So we will continue the Nifty and Bank Nifty chart and let us see whether we will get any entries further. This is how we should mark important levels in live market, and I just marked the current day low also here. You can see Bank Nifty just broke the current day low and made a green candle here. Let me stop here. And you can see here this is the current day low. Bank Nifty broke this current day low and a big bearish candle has been formed, and it took support exactly at the CPR top CPR and made a bullish candle here. So we didn't had any entry here because we have a CPR support here, we have a CPR resistance here. So we didn't had any entries once the current day low has been broken. And again there is a reason in Nifty also. Let us see the Nifty chart together. I don't know whether you are liking this replay button explanation or whether you like the old format only. Let me know in the comment box. If you finding it difficult to understand in this format like replay button and explanation, let me know in the comment box. I will do the analysis in the same previous way only. So if you finding it difficult, let me know. And here you can see the initial initial candle low, I mean current day low has been broken here, but we had a CPR resistance here. Price took support from the top CPR and made a upside move here. But there is another reason here in Nifty, and let me start the Nifty chart here. You can see here, this is the current day low of Nifty. This is the current day low. Let me mark this level. This is the current day low and this is the previous day high level. These two lines you should know, this is the previous day high, this is the current day low. Let me start the candles. We already have a support level here, we have already a trend line here, and now you can see Nifty also broke the support level. You can see how big was the move. Once support level has been broken, you can see how big was the move. Nifty broke the R1 resistance, which was acting as a support for the price, was broken now. After that, you can see how big was the move here. Nifty also broke the current day low. There was no entry here. First of all, there was no entry because once this support, the support of current day has been broken, there was a resistance here. There was a resistance here where Nifty might make a upward move, but Nifty broke that level also here. After this breakout candle also, there was no entry because we had current day low here. Nifty might take support from here and make a reversal. So we didn't had any entry here also. After that, Nifty broke the current day low and also it was near to the previous day high. Now this candle has been not closed. Let me start the candles. Now you can see here, previous day high level has been broken slightly, but the move was parabolic. The breakout was literally fast. So these types of breakout will usually fail. Parabolic breakouts will usually fail. If you didn't watch my how to identify false breakout video, you can watch in that video. Parabolic breakouts will usually fail, and since it was a biggest important level, Nifty took support from this level. Buyers activated aggressively here and made the price to move in an upward direction. So I just started the candles. Now you can see here Nifty made an upward move aggressively. Buyers entered here aggressively and big candles have been formed here. In Bank Nifty also there was a CPR support and it also made upside move here. And let's continue what will happen in the candlesticks. Let's see what will happen. I don't know how you are getting these points. I don't know if you don't like this replay sort of things. You can let me know in the comment box. And now you can see here how trendline is respecting here. And I didn't draw on trend line after that. I just connected 2 points and I just extended that connection till the day end. I just did that, and you can see here how price is respecting that trend line, and now also price is respecting that trend line and made a bearish candle here. So exactly at this point I took an entry in Nifty, and let me explain that this is the trend line resistance. By looking at the trend line resistance also, I confirmed my entry in Nifty, and let me start this Nifty chart here. One thing every beginner might know this. If you don't know, every support level which was acting as a support for the price, or every resistance level which was acting as a resistance level for the price, once it broken, it becomes opposite. If the support is broken, and that support will become resistance for the price when the price is moving in an upward direction. For example, this was the support for the price, this made a fall here, after that price was moving in an upward direction. Now this support will become a resistance for the price, because those who entered here, those who broke the support level, will keep their stop loss above that support level, so they will protect that support level. So that is the reason why which will act as an resistance for the price. So I was waiting for the price to make an retest at that level, and I was waiting for the price action in the live market, and let me show how the candles have been formed and how I took my entry in Nifty at this point. This was the simple reason behind that entry: support level acting as a resistance level after the breakout. You can see here a doji candle has been formed here. This was the reason I was waiting for an entry here. After that, you can see a doji candle, a pin bar sort of candle, which is a clear indication that there is a confusion at this level. There is a confusion, there is a seller's pressure at this level, and even though buyers made a strong entry here, so there is a good chance that buyers also might book their profit here, and sellers also entered here, and a doji candle has been formed here. This is the reason why I took entry with this candle close. I took entry with the candle close. At the same time, in Bank Nifty also, you can see that the Bank Nifty was facing resistance from the trend line, which is a clear-cut confirmation that Bank Nifty also might face downfall here, and Nifty will also Nifty also confirmed its downfall entry after the doji low breakout. So I just took entry at this candle close, and I just kept my stop loss above this resistance line, and I was waiting for the target of this low. Let me continue the candles. Target was triggered, and I went out with a good profit. After that, price was here only till the end of the day. And in Bank Nifty also, if I show the Bank Nifty chart, Bank Nifty also confirmed my entry, and I took entry in Nifty only. After that, Bank Nifty also made a downfall move, and after that, till the end of the day, price was in that range only. Price didn't made any movement. Now you can see the trend line has been broken. So this is the 215 candle here. If I show the 215 candle in a Nifty, so this was the 215 candle in Nifty, but we had resistance of R1 here. There is a resistance of R1 resistance line here. There is also a pivot here. So it was not a clear entry in Bank Nifty. Even though it broke the trend line here, there was no entry in Bank Nifty here. So we didn't took any entry here. After that, Bank Nifty was here only. Bank Nifty didn't made any further big movements. After that, a market ended here. Market closed somewhere here. So this is what happened in Bank Nifty and Nifty today. I don't know if you like this format or not, like replay button format. I was explaining in a clear cut chart only. So I hope you understood every point. I hope you understood how to draw trend lines, how to draw support levels in live market rather than pre-market important levels. We should be very careful in live market also. We should draw some levels. We should see how the price is reacting at some levels. So these are the simple things we have to do in live market. There should not be any stress. There should not be any confusions. There should not be any quick movements. You should be very calm. You should patiently wait for the perfect entry. You should not enter directly looking at some big bullish candles or some bearish candles. There are some rules to take an entry. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, please like this video, and please make sure to subscribe my channel and press that bell icon, and please share this video with your trading buddies so that they can also learn something about trading. That's it for the video. So let's meet in the next video with wonderful content about day trading. Till that time, take care traders. Have a good day. Have a profitable week ahead.